For me, just failure is really part of life. Gid na to sa business. No? As personally, I see it as not negative. Before, when I was young, early 20s, I had lot of businesses also, no? Pero I see it as negative. Kumbaga sa akong sarili, ginaisip na ko na failure pud ko as a person. Eventually, as I grew older, dagan ko na learn na gid na I see it as a positive thing na no, it's not about lang tong loss of money, but you gain something from it, from failure. You learn a lot of things. You know, you have to prevent your business from failing because in ani na mga experiences nimo. Kumbaga, mas maging strong tong business nimo because of those failures that nahimot
Correct.
nimo ba?
Agree.
Diba?
In my part, I see failure before as kumbaga dili ka pwede magkamali. Pero later on, as nag-grow kong business, I ventured into business, entrepreneurship, I found out na necessary din siya nga component for success.
I think it's not really about failure. Ingon pa gani nila si Thomas Edison, nakakita og 1,000 ways not to create a light bulb. And then, ika 1,001 niya mo pa tong time na nakay mo siya light bulb. So, it's not about failure, but it's about tong stepping stone towards imong goal, diba?